Let's take a look at the concept of longevity pay. Longevity pay is furnished on the basis that an employee's value has increased for the organization as a result of experience. Such raises recognize that recruitment and training are expensive, institutional knowledge is valuable and difficult to replace, loyalty to the organization is important, and a team ethic with relatively equal raises should not be ignored. The most common approach to rewarding longevity is through the use of step increases, which are increases within each grade. The exact amount of steps and the amount of pay are determined in salary schedules. If an agency uses a lot of grades and fewer steps, there may not be overlap between the top step in one grade and the first step in a higher grade. Step systems are used by most federal agencies and in many state and county governments, but less so in municipal and special district governments, including education. Many organizations believe that performance should be rewarded and report using some form of pay for performance, incentive, or variable pay plan. Such approaches depend on output, personnel, and organizational contingencies and work best in an environment of harmonious labor management relations. Incentive pay also must be clearly distinguished from regular compensation and cost of living adjustments.